What's up, gents? Welcome back to a brand new video with Tiege Hanley. I'm Dominic Welton for those who don't know, and for today's video we are going to be talking about the perfect skincare routine for all you men out there that deal with dry skin. Now, just because the winter season is fading and we're moving a little bit closer to summer doesn't mean that you're not going to suffer from dry skin. So for today's video, we're going to give you all the tips and tricks needed to make sure that your face doesn't suffer from drying out. Tip number one is make sure you're hydrated. You probably already know this, but so many people know this and they disregard it throughout the day because they get so busy. Make sure you're drinking water. I have a water bottle, a reusable one that I take with me everywhere I go. I fill it up in the morning. I take it with me when I go to the gym, when I go to work, when I leave the house, and at night before I go to bed, I'm making sure that I'm drinking water. So as I sleep, my body is staying hydrated. Tip number two is do not touch your face. I know this one is hard. Everybody suffers with it. However, the more you touch your face, the more the excess oils from your hands get onto your skin and will dry out your face. So be careful when it comes to your day-to-day. Trust me, I'm Italian. I'm always talking like this and using my hands. And the more you touch your face though, the more your face will dry out. So just be aware of that. Tip number three is be sure to wash your pillowcases. Again, we want to make sure when we're laying our head down at night, it's on an oil-free zone. So if you wash your pillowcases at least once a week, you should be in the clear. However, if you haven't washed your pillowcases in over a week, 2 weeks, like you're coming on a month, it might be time to do a load of laundry and make sure that what you lay your head on every night is as clean as possible to prevent you from getting acne. Tip number four, of course, is make sure you have a healthy skincare routine in place. Now, if you don't wash your face every day, at least twice a day, that's the goal. Chances are that's one of the main reasons why your skin is drying out. Having a good face wash will remove excess oil, debris, dirt, everything that's nasty on our face from our activities throughout the day. So when it comes to your skincare routine, make sure you have quality products you're using that are designed to work with one another. I personally use Tiege Hanley's Level 1 skincare system. I've been using it for over a year, and one of the reasons I love it is because it's simple, but it's effective. So the first thing I do, of course, is I wash. This is their wash right here. I use this twice a day. I was only using it once a day. The second I started moving it to twice a day, I started to see even better results from the skincare system. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure when you wake up, you get all the nasty dirt, debris, grime, everything that's built up overnight. And before you go to bed, you want to make sure you're washing your face as well. Now, the second thing I do to make sure my skin is hydrated is I use a moisturizer. In the Level 1 skincare system, it comes with a AM and a PM moisturizer. And the AM has SPF 20, so it makes sure that your skin's protected throughout the day. But with this, I can make sure my skin is hydrated throughout the day. So the AM in the morning and the PM right before I go to bed to make sure while I sleep for hopefully solid 8 hours, my skin is hydrated throughout the entire time. Now, the last thing that I do as far as a skincare routine is I exfoliate. I do this twice a week, and I use the scrub right here, which again comes in the Level 1 skincare system from Tiege Hanley. What I love about the scrub is it dives deep into the pores and also helps hydrate the skin while removing germs and bacteria. Be cautious though, do not over exfoliate because that will definitely dry out your skin. However, if you have implemented all of these steps we've just talked about, I'm telling you, you will see dramatic results to your skin, and I'm telling you, you will start to see positive results that you are gonna be so happy with. So again, let's recap. We're drinking a lot of water. We are making sure we're washing our pillowcases. We're not touching our face. We're implementing a healthy skincare routine, and we're exfoliating. The main thing with this, you guys, is we want to start implementing healthy habits into our life now that we can build a lifestyle out of. It's not about just doing it once or washing our face once a week. We want to implement these things daily so that we can start seeing the best possible results for our skin. With that, that is today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos from Tiege Hanley, you can go ahead and click over here. If you want to learn a little bit more about Tiege Hanley's skincare system, you can go and click over here. With that, I'm Dominic Welton. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on another Tiege video. Bye, guys.